Hi, my name is David Lucic with Tampa Electric Company. I work in the Environmental Health and Safety Department, and I'd like to take a few minutes to discuss with you one of our major projects that are going on in the area. I'm responsible for the siting of a lot of the infrastructure that Tampa Electric puts down, and one of the things I'd like to talk to you about is our Willow to Davis project. It's a 30-mile transmission high-voltage line that we're placing within our service territory, and it's generated a lot of interest. And I'd just like to take the time to help explain how we go about our selection process. One of the things that's critical as we move forward is, and we've taken into account up to this point, is a lot of customer feedback. We really enjoy the fact that people are taking the time to give their input on the line, and it is extremely beneficial. What we do is we take the feedback from our customers and we input it into the process, and it helps us make some critical decisions as we move forward. Some of the criteria we look at in addition to customer feedback is, first we start off with the public impact of these lines. How are we going to impact people's homes, their businesses, their schools? It is a key component, and we try to minimize that. In fact, during the series of open houses we had while garnishing this impact, one of the highest rated items that our customers told us is they would like this line to impact the minimum amount of houses along the route. Well, we were able to accomplish that. The line selected, in fact, does impact the least amount of houses on all other options that were available to us. The next item we look at is environmental sensitivity. How do we deal with wetlands, forested areas, potential endangered species? These are also very important criteria. And once again, the customer feedback has been invaluable. We were able to identify a bald eagle's nest that we were not aware of and the state of Florida was not aware of existed. We were able to tag it and number it, and we've also garnered the help of local residents to monitor this eagle's nest for the state and for the regulatory agencies. As we permit these lines, we'll continue to meet all state and federal requirements from the environmental standpoints. The third item we look at is cost, and it is critical not only to us but to our customers, because in the end our ratepayers or customers actually have to bear these costs of the lines. So it's in everybody's best interest, and we have an obligation to try to keep these costs as reasonable as possible for all of our customers. So as we move forward, we're very excited about the feedback. We'd like to continue to encourage it, and it has been very beneficial up to this point, and we encourage people to continue to do so. The other item is, if you'd like to continue to find information about our project, please look at tampaelectric.com/infrastructure, and you can continue to gain updates and provide input on the project to date. So thank you for your time, and again, thank you for your interest.